Hello and welcome back everyone to Tech World. We are back with another tutorial video. And in this one, we will be showing you how you can buy and redeem your Netflix gift card. There are various ways to renew your subscription with Netflix. If you already have a credit card billing information set up with your Netflix account, then you will not need to redeem using a gift card. However, if you haven't registered your billing information, or you wish to renew your subscription using a gift card, then you can follow a few simple steps. You can either buy a digital gift card and then go ahead and redeem your account by using the code given inside the Netflix gift card. The other way is to buy the actual card by going to a store and you can pay for it by your credit card or cash. You can also use various online shopping centers. After you purchase your Netflix gift card, in order to redeem your Netflix account, just go ahead and type in Netflix.com in the address bar, log into your account if necessary. Once you are inside your account, scroll all the way down and you will be able to find the gift cards option. Click on this and you will be asked to enter your code or your PIN. Just go ahead and type in your code or your PIN number and then click on the redeem button. Once your gift card has been redeemed, then you can go into your account page and you will see that your subscription has been extended. You can also redeem your gift card from the account section by clicking on Redeem Gift Card or Promo Code. So that is how you can buy and use Netflix gift cards to redeem your Netflix subscription. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.